Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Hello my healthies, buenos dias, goedemorgen, bonjour. It has been a while. I know guys. But I am semi back. Why? Because I am planning to come back permanently, meaning one video a week as I used to. I was away for a couple of months, maybe I think a year. I haven't posted on this channel because we have a new addition to the family. Woo! And yes, I have a little baby boy, so I was away because of that, and now I'm back. So on this channel you're gonna be seeing some new things because now I'm a mom, first time mom, and I'm planning to do some nice healthy recipes for baby, so baby food, and also little tips that I learned myself as a first time mom. I want to share with you guys on this channel. I will be also sharing my recipes because I am planning to go back to my weight loss journey that I started a year ago. So you'll be seeing more of that as well. I will be adding this new addition to the channel, so you'll be seeing other type of videos. So when you see these kind of baby videos, you'll be saying like, huh, what's going on? Well, it's because yes, I was pregnant and the baby's here and we have to feed the baby as well. Baby needs to eat as well. So yeah, we're also looking for nice and healthy snacks and food that we can feed the baby. And according to the nurse, we should start feeding him like puree, vegetables and fruits puree from month fourth month. So that's what we're gonna be sharing on the channel for that segment, mommy segment, first time mom segment. So we're gonna be adding some of these videos for you guys, so stay tuned for that, guys. And what also gonna be talking about is my journey throughout this pregnancy. I've discovered a lot of things. I've learned some new things about myself, and yeah, my whole experience, basically what happened, how the baby came, how the baby was born. I have so many stories to tell you guys, but for this video it was just to come up and let you know what's gonna happen to the channel. The channel is still it's still on, so make sure you guys continue to watch my old videos, share it with someone who you might think is interested. Like I said, this channel, I created it to share awareness of eating healthy, especially with someone who have high blood pressure, who's battling with that. All the recipes that I've shared on this channel, it is for for someone who has that, they can use it in their diet. I've also shared some important information as well, concerning how to take care of yourself when you have high blood pressure and what do you feel, the kind of symptoms. So that's exactly what this channel is about: living healthy, having a healthy lifestyle. And I'm so happy that I can always be sharing this with you guys, and I'm happy to be back. Everybody said it's gonna be tough to film and record when you have a baby, so this is me trying it out now. The baby was born in November, so I'm filming today, it's March. So yes, I did take quite some time for myself before I started doing anything. I had to relax a bit, but yes, we are back. And I started to post videos already on my other channel, the other channel about my hair. If you're not subscribed to that one, check it out. It's this one right here. Go ahead, subscribe on that channel. I talk about natural hair, how to maintain your natural 4C hair, because that's the kind of hair that I have. And so guys, I'm so happy that I can still be able to find some time to film and to share my experience with you guys. I hope that you'll be able to learn something from these videos that I've shared before, and I hope that yeah, you continue watching the channel. And so make sure you share the video with a friend that you think who are interested, because the things that I share here, they're very important. I take my time, I do some research to share this information with you guys, and I've always linked the link in the description below, where I just find most of my information pertaining to your health, and other things is just my experience basically. So when it comes to scientific stuff, when it comes to studies, I will always have the link in the description below. But other videos is basically my experience, how I went through it, and what I've done. And that's basically what I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. I can't wait to share with you these things that I went through. So stay tuned for the next video that's gonna come out. I am gonna start with yeah, pregnancy. First time I was pregnant. No, I'm gonna start with the pregnancy, so the beginning of it all, and I'm gonna walk through. I'm probably gonna make the videos about 10 to 15 minutes. I don't want to make it too long, so you guys can pay attention and understand. I will be putting some pictures from time to time so that I can show you guys maybe how I had look, because yes, it was my first time, so it was a new experience for me, so I like to share it with you guys. So stay tuned for that. That is all for today. Thank you guys so much for always being here. I see, even though I didn't post new videos, I see some of my videos are getting a lot of views, and people are still subscribing. So for all the new subscribers who have subscribed but didn't see a new video yet, I just want to say welcome to the channel. Continue to support, and don't forget, do not skip the commercials on the video, because on this channel it's already monetized, which means this channel is part of the YouTube program, and by watching the commercials, the ads in between the video, you'll help the channel, you know, gain more people, gain more access. And the channel haven't reached far yet. Even though we've joined the YouTube program, there's still more things that need to be done, more milestones to be covered in order for us to continue promote this channel. I always say YouTube allow us to be on this channel for free. We don't have to pay to use it. So at this moment, we have to make use of it, because we don't know when they're gonna change that, right? So the information is on YouTube, it's free. And if you enjoy what you've seen so far, remember to give the video a thumbs up. And if you're new, if you're watching me for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, that was all for today. It was just saying hello, I'm back, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.